with another lava tuna. This is the first one. Pretty amazing, isn't it? How are the kids doing? Quite far back. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to have them closer. No, I can hear the little girl. No. There.
How bad is it? Maybe don't do that. Yeah.
It's wet.
Yeah.
It's something that when you start to check the walls, like, wow, these are so unnatural in a way that we are not so used to saw them. But it's really, really beautiful. Okay. The others are gonna. Hi there, how are you doing?
My headlamp isn't working.
They are just going back?
No, my headlamp is not working. They're on their way.
Ah, okay. Just come here, I will try to. Yeah, fine.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, I see. That's what
Amazing. You did it so well.
I don't know why, but I think remember when we tried talking about it, there was an hour there. Oh, well, we have like two now. Hello, come over here. Let's have some little.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna start to talk about this beautiful, beautiful wall here. Oh, that crack. This crack was not there. Okay, guys. So now we have to go. Nah, I'm kidding. This crack has been there. Oh, another one. Okay, not the first, not the last one. Another year. It's because this crack never arrived to collapse that we can enjoy that huge wall of silica. Okay, this is really close to obsidian. I don't know if you know about obsidian. Obsidian is a little bit darker and much harder, but it gets like it forms the same way. Okay. So basically, this is a volcanic glass, but this one is a little bit more fragile. So if we come there and we could break it easily. Okay, that's why it's not allowed to take anything from the cave. Also, we can find that in here you can see really clear the lines, and this is how slow the lava was getting emptied of the tunnel. Okay, so every layer is. I cannot tell you how many years we had to divide and count all the ones that we have here, but for sure it took around 5 years. Okay, they say that the speed of the lava was something like 5 kilometers per hour, like stepping, not so fast though. Of course, in the beginning, you can imagine that curve that was showing there when we were coming from the stairs. In there, the river, we will just like imagine that it's going to that side and then coming straight forward to the exit. Okay. Also, from this wall, what we can see is these really tiny stalactites. They are not stalactites, okay? But they are just dropping. It was getting frozen in the perfect moment. We call them lava nipples, okay? They are tiny, cute, but we have all the type over there. Can you spot them? If I move the light.
Oh, yeah.
Here, here, and here. They are more clear. Yeah? Okay, these ones are lava straws, and they are hollow inside, so that's why the name that they put them. Okay. These ones are much, well, let's say they are not so typical in this area, but if we were going farther inside, we will find that there is a lot of them in many parts of the cave, okay? But in this area, they are not so visible. Also because some people decided they wanted a souvenir from the cave and they start to pick them up. Nowadays, if we stole something from the cave, we will go to jail for 2 years. If someone wants to make a deal to make the holidays longer, just kidding. Okay, we call this the party platform because in here we have some parties. Also, this is helping so much to see how the river of lava was coming from that side. Can you imagine? We're coming here and it will let this kind of shapes on the wall and everywhere. It's quite exciting. I really like these lights. But what I would love to try now is if you would like to be in the darkness. Completely dark. You're gonna be close to your father, close to your parents, and we're gonna try a dark moment, okay?
And everyone has to be quiet, okay?
We are gonna be all closing our eyes, and we're gonna be in the dark. Great? Let's try to put our lights. Everyone, yeah.
I turn off the lights?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get them. If anyone is scared, you can take also my friend Gudrun. It's over there.
Okay.
Do you want it?
No, we're good.
You're good? Okay? Great. So, guys, counting. For sure, if we have smart watches, let's try to cover them. And if we want to live the really truly experience, we should close also the GoPro. If it's okay for you.
Sure.
Okay, guys.